Hello, just in case if you're new here, my name is Clay. I do makeup here. If that's something that you're interested in, feel free to subscribe and turn on my bell post notifications. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I came from looking like this into looking like this. Make sure to stay tuned after the intro. So in today's video, I'm going to do an Easter inspired makeup look. So first things first I'm going to do is I'm going to prime, and I'm just going to squirt a little bit in my hand like that. And also I'm going to rub this all over the face. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the foundation on the back of this lid. And I'm going to apply the foundation with the concealer end of this brush, because I'm wanting more of a skin-like finish with this makeup look. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that with 3 stripes on each portion of my face and a few dots right below my lip. Now I'm going to take the brush end and just blend that out with circular motions. Starting at the top part of my lower face, blending it outwards and blending out this forehead. I'm going to go ahead and apply some cream products. First, I'm going to start with some blush, and I'm going to dot that on the cheek in a C formation going into the hairline, and adding a little bit on the side of the nose. And I'm just going to blend that out. If you're watching this video at this point, I have a goal. It is to get monetized. So if you can, please watch this video all the way through and also subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and apply some cream contour. And I'm just going to put that in an angled downwards formation where it can add some lift to the face. A little bit on the nose, right underneath the lip. And just to add a little more definition to the eye, I'm going to apply some directly underneath the eye in an uplifting formation. And I'm just going to put like a teeny bit right there at the side of the forehead. And while I'm blending this out, how have you guys been doing? Sound off in the comment section down below. What are you doing this Easter? Are you visiting friends or family? Are you eating a lot of peeps? Are you going to church? What's up? I'm probably going to go to church, maybe, depending on how the weather is. I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. I'm just going to apply that with my finger right on the high points of my cheekbones. And I'm just going to blend that out with the finger. Just give it more of that luminous natural glow. And a teeny bit on the nose. I love a good nose highlight. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some concealer. I want this to look like skin, because the main focus is going to be on the eyes today. This is a medium coverage concealer, so I'm putting it on a little heavy. If you have a full coverage concealer, you don't have to do all this. You just have to do 3 dots. And a little bit on the forehead. Small bit on the chin. I'm going to take my foundation brush and just blend that out. Whatever's left over, I'm going to apply on the side of the nose. Basically, I'm just doing a contour highlight. Basically, I'm trying to create the illusion of my face is being brought forward while the contour is creating a definition of shadow. I'm going to go ahead and take some setting spray, spray the foundation brush, and go back over that concealer once more, because I want to make sure that this does look like skin. I'm going to go in with some bronzer. Now going with this bouquet foundation brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply a small amount on the side of the nose and go upwards to create that appearance of warmth and liveliness. And while making sure that that hits the points of my face that looks like I naturally got a tan. And I'm going to take whatever's left over and go towards the top of the hairline. I'm going to go in with some setting powder, get a little bit loose in the cap, and take a fluffy brush, knock off the excess residue where there won't be too much on the face, and just apply a small amount underneath the eye, going in a formation that goes up into the hairline, because I tend to smile and then I get like these creases. I'm trying to combat my foundation from separating in that area. And apply a little bit in the center of the forehead, because I do have some scarring on my forehead that looks like wrinkles. And when I get expressionary with my face, the foundation separates. Small amount on smile line because I am starting to lose collagen production in that area because I'm in my 30s. Just small amount towards the beard line. Yes, I have a beard and I do makeup. No, I'm not going to shave it. And no, I'm not trying to make myself look like a woman. So I'm not going to shave it. I'm going to go ahead and work on the lips. I'm just going to do like a simple natural lip. So I'm going to go ahead and take this gold eyeliner and use it as a lip liner. And just align the lips because I am going to use this as a highlighter on the lips. I'm going to go ahead and take some gloss and just apply that on the lips to give it that natural glowy look. I'm going to go ahead and apply some eye primer. Let me go ahead and zoom you in. And I'm just going to apply the eye primer directly on the eye like this. If you have a client, don't do this to them. This is my own product and I do this to myself. And it's not advised for you to do so either because that's how contamination happens. But I have a lot of product that ends up seeping out of it, so I don't want to waste any of it. And I'm just going to blend that out with a brush. Now I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath palette, her limited edition Christmas palette that I got at TJ Maxx for half the price. So no, I did not pay full price for this. I'm not rolling like that. So I'm going to go in with a simple purpley look. So first I'm going to go in with the base shade, which is this taupe. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just apply that all over the lid, starting from the outer corner and blending inwards. And just slowly layer that up. Then go on, then add a little bit on the under eye. I'm going to go in with this lilac purple shimmer and just apply that on the inner corner of the eye to give it more of that subtle, soft look. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that directly to the lashes. This is the Clump Crusher. This is one of my favorites. I'm going to go ahead and work on the brows, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply my brow mascara on so that my brows will be a little more prominent and also be brought forward to the show because I am blonde and my brows are barely noticeable. And I'm trying to keep this subtle as possible. Now the only thing left to do is just to set this look. And I'm going to go ahead and take my setting spray and draw on the face. And this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my bell post notifications and share this video to all your Facebook friends. And with that being said, I do thank you for watching. Remember to do all things with love. And until next time,